What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I know you guys have not seen my face for a long while, but nevertheless guys, I'm here at Whim Estates to give you guys another drone update, as well as I have some information to pass on to you today. It's good to know that you're still around. I've been seeing the requests in the comments. But guys, I don't want to get into the explanation of the challenges, but I am here. So guess what? Before we jump into the updates, please to just like this video. If you're brand new to the channel, or if you've been here for a while and you have not yet done so, please to go right ahead, subscribe, continue to leave your comments, and continue to share out the videos. So guys, you can see behind me, I'm standing right at the model unit that I've shown you guys the first time that we got here, but now you're actually seeing the actual units right there in the background. So they are not far from where they are supposed to be. Alright? And from what I heard and what I'm seeing, the development is progressing very well and at a very fast pace right now. So time for the updates. Update number 1. Block B is almost completely handed over. So they're trying to finish up Block B handing over right now. And I can tell you that Block C will be handing over very soon. So by the end of July, the handing over for Block C will begin. Alright? But you want to hear the best part of everything? Come August 2025, and guys, you don't want to miss this update. So like I say, if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe right now, turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss this update. You can't, so Chris never tell you. Alright, so Block D will be going on sale come August. Alright, so a third of Block D will be on sale. If you're going to be going through a mortgage institution, please to get your pre-approval letters ready. We're in July, you still have a few more weeks. You don't want when Chris come back on the internet to say Block D is ready for a sale. You're trying to get yourselves ready. Alright, so you're getting this update to put yourselves together from now. So 1/3 of Block D will be on sale this August 2025. So if you see this video in 2026, it means that you would have missed the opportunity to sign for Block D. Alright? Get yourself ready. Keep yourselves up to date with these videos. Keep yourself updated on the website for Whim. You can reach out to the sales team. They are more than willing to assist you guys with any information that you would like to get. And just in case you don't know who to get a mortgage with, they can recommend a mortgage officer to you, just to make your process and your life much more simpler than. You get what I say? Alright, so I'm going to be giving you guys a drone update right now of what's happening with the development, and you will realize that every time we come here I can only show you less units because people are moving in pretty fast, and that is a good thing. So here what, I'm going to jump right into this drone shot and I'll catch you guys on the other side with the closing out of this video. But if you missed the information after you finish watch, you can go back, go watch again, and make sure you're sharing to somebody that needs one of these units. So I'll catch you guys in a few. So Whim update in a nutshell. Block B persons will be completed by the end of July, and Block C, you will start the handing over process by the ending of July going into August. So if you have already made your payment, if you've already gone through your process, your unit is pretty much ready. Your unit is waiting on you to come. So just look out for that call, look out for that email, because your time is right around the corner. And for those persons who are interested in the development and still want to buy in, your opportunity is now coming this August to purchase a unit in Block D. Once that date is confirmed, I'll give you guys another update right here. You can get that update also on Whim's website, and you can get one of these properties. So don't worry yourself, date not confirmed yet, but it will, and I'll give you guys the price as well. So don't worry yourself. All you need to do right now, get your documents ready, go get yourself pre-qualified, have that letter in hand, make sure you have your ID, make sure everything is up to date. So when Whim says ready, you say ready. All right, so So thank you guys so much for making it ChriSamz one more time for your property tours and your update. On a system, I burn up in the sun all the time, but that's not a problem as long as you guys get your updates and as long as the information is being shared. So continue to share, continue to like these videos, continue to leave a comment with your requests, and remember that ChriSamz give you the best update, accurate information only, and we don't fly over people's property once they're living in there. So bless up on yourself, guys. Peace out from Chris, peace out from ChriSamz, peace out from Whim Estates. Catch you guys in another video.